Crypto and blockchain. Explained what you need to know in 2024. Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain. These aren't just buzzwords anymore. They're shaping the future of finance. But what do they mean for you? If you're between 30 and 60 and curious about how to navigate this space, you're in the right place. Let's start with 3 names you should know. First, there's Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, who's behind the blockchain technology, revolutionizing finance, contracts, and beyond. Then we have Changpeng Zhao,